And finally, we come to the last two types of reactions, synthesis and decomposition. As a quick reminder, we have been through 5 of the types of chemical reactions, and now we're going to finish up talking about synthesis, also known as combination reactions, and decomposition. Synthesis reaction is quite simple. It's just where you have more chemical species going to fewer chemical species. For example, 2 reactants will go to 1 product. An example would be hydrogen plus oxygen goes to water. 2 things are going to 1 thing. A quick disclaimer here, we're not counting individual molecules. This would not be 3 things going to 2 things. We're not counting individual molecules or atoms. We're counting chemical species as a total. And here, in the second example, you can see 2 things are going to 1 thing. Antimony and chlorine are going to antimony trichloride. That's synthesis. And finally, the very last reaction. Type number 7 is decomposition reaction, and it's just the opposite. It's where fewer things are going to more things. For example, 1 thing going to 2 things, or 2 things going to 3 things. That's a decomposition. The example I will give you is the one that is just the opposite of that one. Water can be broken down into hydrogen and oxygens. 1 thing broken down into 2. And there you have it, all 7 types of reactions now considered.